All right, good afternoon, everybody. We're going to jump into our last lab here, but I just want to give you a bit of an overview of what you're looking at today. So I'm going to start a recording here. Share my screen. Okay, so just a reminder on how to go about this and how to link the two. So we open up Studio 5000, new project, logics, pick the controller, give it a name, example, next, and finish. Okay, so we open up Studio 5000. And I'm going to open up Factory IO. I'm going to link the two, and I'm just going to walk you through a timer example again. And would there be a problem? So this is a question I'm asking. Would there be a problem with linking Studio 5000 with Factory IO that you have downloaded at home? Would you be able to do that, or would there be a problem? I'm going to.
There would be a problem.
Yeah, okay, so there would be a problem. I just muted everybody because somebody's chewing gum or something. That won't work. Okay, why won't it work? Anybody remember why it won't work?
IP address?
Perfect, yeah, different subnet, okay? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go online and I'm going to download to the PLC that's right above, physically above my head. And that one here, the address is 142.232.195.110. So I'm going to make contact with that controller. All right, so now I'm just downloading nothing to the controller. I'm just establishing a communication link with that particular PLC. And in the meantime, I'm going to open up Factory IO. Okay, so if I want to talk to Factory IO, what do I have to ensure my tags are? Can I have local tags or do they need to be global? So I want to communicate with Factory IO. Do my tags need to be local or global? And where do I find the global tag? Okay, yeah, that's right. They have to be global. And where do I find global tags? Do I find them under main task, main program, parameters, and local tags? No, I found them under controller tags right there. Okay, so I got to create all my tags that I'm going to use with Factory IO under controller tags. Okay, so I'm going to go offline here and I'm going to write a simple program. So timers and counters, I have an off delay timer. A little smaller. Okay, I want to activate this timer with a selector switch from Factory IO. So now I'm gonna go into Factory IO. And I'm going to choose a scene, and we've been choosing the converge station. It has everything we need. Okay. So I'm going to have that selector switch right there, and I'm going to activate these lights. So I've got three lights, green, red, and amber. This selector switch is going to activate those lights. So when I go under File, Drivers, I have to pick the PLC I have. I have Allen Bradley Logix 5000. And now I got the selector switch. Where is the selector switch found? Would it be found under sensors or actuators? Where would the selector switch be found?
Sensors?
Yep. Okay, and what do I need to create as a tag name for my selector switch? Looking at what you see here. What does my tag name need to be?
Boolean?
Yeah, bool in which? Which is bool in what? Right here under auto.
Ah.
Bool
Oh,
in
okay.
9. Bool in 9. So when I go look at my scene, I have auto and I have manual, and I can see that that selector switch is bool in 9. Okay, now I have
Okay.
3 lights. I have a start light, a reset light, and a stop light. I'm just going to drag those up and put them under bool 0, bool 1, and bool 2. Okay, so now my outputs are bool out 1, bool out 0, bool out 1, bool out 2. And this selector switch auto is going to run those lights. All right, now I want to link this factory I/O to my PLC. How do I do that? What do I do to link this factory I/O to that PLC? Go under configuration. Yep. Now what? Type in the IP. Yep. So I'm going to type in here 142.232.195.110. Okay. So now I've got the IP address for that PLC. So now I'm going to go write my program. So I go back to Logix Designer, and this was bool in 9. So I go to controller tags, edit tags, and I create tags called bool in 9. I got to make it up data type bool, and that's auto. Then I make my, I got to create the tags for my lights. That's bool out 0, data type bool. And does anybody remember what color light that was? Bool out 0 was a green light. So that would be the start light. So I'm going to type in here, green light. Bool out 1. That's going to be data type bool. And that's going to be a red light. And I'm going to type in bool out 2. That's of data type bool. Oops. Data type bool. And that will be an amber, A-M-B-E-R, amber light. Okay, so now I have all my tags. Bool in 9, that's my selector switch. Bool out 0, green light. Bool out 1, red light. Bool out 2, amber light. I go back to my main routine, and I'm going to drop in the instructions I need. So there will be 1, red, green, yellow. And I'm going to have these instructions here. All right, I got to create a tag for this timer. What is the data type for timer? What is the data type for timer? Perfect. So I'm going to call this Frank. I'm just going to call it Frank just to demonstrate that the name doesn't indicate the functionality of the instruction. I'm going to call that timer. All right. Main routine. So now I have my selector switch, which is auto. My timer, which is Frank. Now I'm going to look at the bits associated with Frank. EN, TT, and done. So if you get this question on a test, and you will, I'm going to ask you a series of questions about which lights are on and when. Okay, let's set this for 5 seconds. Let's set it for 4 seconds. All right. I'm going to download and run this. Which lights will be on, if any, if I don't switch this to auto? So which lights, if any, will be on if I don't switch it to auto? So I'm just going to download and run this. Will any of the lights be on? Yes or no? Let's start with that. Will any of the lights be on? I'm going to download and run this. All off. Yep, that's right. Okay. Now I'm going to switch the auto on, and I'm going to count to 2. Which lights, if any, are on? I'm going to switch to auto and count to 2. Green, yes, that one's on. Is that it? And red. Okay, let's take a look at the type of timer we have. We have an off delay timer. So an off delay timer starts its timing action after it became true and then false. So the green light is on, yes, but the red light will not be on because the timer is not timing. How about the done bit? Will that be true? The done bit will be true, right? Because an off delay timer, the done bit behaves like the contacts would with the associated timer. Okay, so if I go into factory IO now and I connect this, all right, now I'm connected. I'm going to get this so I can, let me just see if I can maneuver this around a bit. Okay. So if I change it to auto, we put it in run mode first. So it's in run mode. And now I switch it to auto. Okay, so that's what I'd expect to see. My green light and my amber light is on. All right, how about when I turn the switch off and I count to 2? Which lights, if any, will be on? Green and red. Okay, are we sure about that? So we're going to switch the auto off, and which lights will be on? So for the green light to be on, we need logic to the timer. So if I switch this off, do we have logic to the timer? No, we don't. Okay. So I see red, I see just red, I see amber. Okay, so we can say with some certainty that when I switch this off, there's no more logic to the timer, so the green light will be off. The timer will be timing, so the red light has to be on. And the done bit. Well, the done bit behaves like the contacts will, so the amber light will be on for 4 seconds, and then everything will be off again. So I'm going to switch that back to what it was, and I can see that it's going to count till 4, and away you go. Okay, so make sure you take a look at the on delay and the off delay today, because you're quite likely to see that on your exam. In fact, you will see that on your exam. There will be some stuff about timers on there, so just make sure to walk through those labs. So today what we're going to do is we're going to finish up the timer and the counter lab, and then tomorrow, same thing as digital logic, we'll work on quizzes. And if you have any issues, any problems, you want me to explain anything, jump out, get me, and then I'll jump in and give you a hand. Okay, so without further ado, we're going to break off into our groups. So create our breakout rooms. Let's do, I'd say 4 of them, 2 hours, randomly assign. Actually, I'm going to do 5. Let me do 5. Okay. Okay, so jump into your rooms, and if you want it to be in a room with a specific colleague because you were working on stuff and you work well together, let me know which person, and then I'll rearrange the groups after this. So go into your groups first because you might be in those groups that you already prefer.
You are now muted. Hello.
You are now unmuted.
Hello, wind chime person.
How are you?
I'm about to pass out.
Feeling sleepy here. This is my wind chime. We do lab 7, 8,
Lab 8, I think.
lab 8.
I thought we were just doodling.
We do the 7? Oh, there's no 8. Oh, mine says unexpected server response. The hell? Do you guys get lab 8 as PLC counter? I got an error on my thing here.
I already did lab 7 from yesterday.
Carol, do you see your lab 8? Does it come up?
Yeah, it comes up.
Yeah, you need a PDF error or something like that. Unexpected server response.
I'm using Word doc though.
This is the only one that's. Hell. Oh, there we go. What if I use this text? It's weird. That's so weird. Loading line. What the hell? Lab 8. Yeah. What the heck? Calendar. Oh, yeah, I don't know what's happening.
Is that supposed to be an AND gate, or are you really perverted with your mind in the gutter?
What's in there? Yes, right.
You should see a doctor for that.
I'm having an error trying to load the lab 8 on my D2L. What the hell? I can
maybe
view it
just-
as a text, but I can't view it as page. You keep saying unexpected server response. I've loaded it like a couple times already.
Did you try downloading it as a PDF and then go from there?
Let's try downloading it. Let's see. Oh yeah, so downloading works. That's weird. It just didn't come up when I clicked on it. Okay, so lab 8. PLC counter. Are we supposed to be doing timer today, or should we just move on to counter?
We did timers yesterday.
Yeah, because that's what he said to do yesterday.
Yeah.
But does he want us to do it again today?
I don't want to do it again.
We can move on
Did
to counter,
everyone
I guess.
here already do timers?
Anybody?
Hey guys.
Hello.
Do you guys want to do timers, or do you want to go to counter?
Did everybody here already finish timers?
No?
Yeah.
They finished time already?
Yeah. Yesterday,
Okay.
I think.
Yesterday, yeah, right? Everyone did it.
Yeah, I'm pretty
Yeah.
sure everybody.
I think we did 6. He told us to do 6 and 7 yesterday.
Yeah, he did, yeah.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
we
He
already
told us
did
to do
6.
7 again today.
But then we already did 6 on Friday, so we went straight to
Yeah.
7.
I don't know, man.
Let me ask him. Let me just ask him.
I think we could just go
You
straight
might want to
to
clear
8.
the presentation screen first.
Yeah. Should we do lab 7 again? Or move on to lab 8? Question mark.
I think we could just move
Let's
on
see what
to
he
lab
says.
8.
Let's see what Clarence says. I don't mind going to lab 8. Oops. Oh, should burn a lab 8 now. There it is. Oh, use the conveyor belt one. Okay. I can't even see in the PDF. It's so small. the main routine looks so small. I gotta zoom in quite a lot.
The main routine?
I mean, the logic, the ladder diagram looks so small in the PDF.
It is really small. That's why.
Really? Yeah, that does me on page 5.
Yeah, it is really small.
Let's see what he said. Ignore the. Oh, it said, whatever the group chooses, you have time to do both. Ignore the analog component from lab 8. Do not use the JSR. Okay, thanks. So if you guys, we can move on to 8 if you want. And then if we're done that, we can go back to 7 if you want. I don't know. What do you think?
Let's go to 8.
It's up to people who hasn't done it, but we can get
I don't
started
know.
later.
Well, I asked a few times if anybody's
Okay. Yeah, let's go
not
to 8
do
then.
it.
Excuse me. Let's go to 8.
Okay. Gabriel, you want to be the presenter?
Sure, let's do that.
You know, you'd be faster.
Are you guys done all the labs for electronics already?
Nope, not even close.
No.
I still have. I'm on 13, man.
Electronics.
I'm on 13.
I got up to lab 12.
Yeah.
I just finished lab 9. Is it me or Bongo is being really slow?
Yeah, it's being a little, yeah.
Yeah, I got kicked out like 3 times this morning.
Like,
Kept,
I'm
like,
hitting the
disconnecting
share
me.
screen button and it's just loading.
Yeah, it's weird.
Yeah, it'll do for a while. I had that same thing last time.
Uh-oh. It said waiting for program to respond. Are you kidding me?
Maybe it's because there's so many people? I don't know.
Oh my gosh. Oh no.
It doesn't work?
Shit. It wants me to close the program. uh,
You want me to try again?
all right, what group are we in? It wants me to close the program and then I'll just hop back
Room
in.
3.
Room
Room
3?
3.
Okay.
Room 3.
All right. It's gonna kick me off. I'll be back.
Is it gonna kick in?
It's probably gonna kick me off.
You are now muted.
Hi, Clarence.
You are now unmuted.
Hi, Clarence. Can you put me back in room 3? I was kicked out.
You are now muted.
So what was the correct answer?
64.
64.
I'm back. Clara's finally answered.
I'm not too sure actually. 64?
Right? So it's basically asking what the third digit would be in the octal numbering system, which is base 8. And
Yeah.
isn't the third digit 16? But it's saying the correct answer is 64. I'm not sure how they're getting that.
Maybe post it on Discord. Maybe someone can answer that because I'm not too sure.
Yeah, good idea.
I think it's asking to get like the third
Is the
digit,
mic working?
which is 100, right? 64 when you convert it.
Oh, okay.
So you get 100. That's like the highest before, you know what I'm saying?
I think so.
It's when you go 64, that's a decimal, and you go binary. So that's like the
Oh.
first. That's the
Oh.
first. Yeah, I was like also messed up with that one. Like that didn't really. It wasn't clear the questions.
Yeah.
But once I started answering it, then I tried to like dissect it, and I'm like, oh, okay, that's so lame. Like that question's so lame. Didn't really.
Oh, I see. Okay, that makes sense then.
Yeah,
Also,
because it's asking for the third digit, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
That's one.
It's 100.
You are now muted. You are now unmuted.
So did you guys start on the lab yet?
No, I didn't start on that lab yet. That's the last one, but no, I haven't started yet.
Okay.
All right, I'm back.
Welcome back.
Sorry. Oh, we're doing it? Okay, sweet. Oh, there it is. Okay. What? There we go. That makes sense. Okay, right. What? Oh yeah. It's hard to see it. The thing. Do you have ONS? Oh, okay.
What?
No, I think I thought you were missing the ONS. Oh,
Oh no. Forgot to add it in here.
there's so many things to add. Right?
Oh, where is it? Oh, oops.
Oh, there you go. What?
Still not here? This is the star over
It's
here.
weird. Why wouldn't it be there? ONS. What the hell? It should be right there. Is it because of the one? Or
Don't know. Wait on that. Make a new one.
sure.
There we go.
There it is. That's weird. That's weird. Counter.
No, that didn't work.
You
Why?
have to add one in? Timer?
It isn't timer.
Yeah.
I do have one in timer. Right here.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it should be there then.
Being difficult.
What the heck?
Let's delete that and re-add one.
Alright. Seems like we added again, it works.
This one is CTU. Nope.
Still no.
Oh. How about this one? This one has
Yeah,
it.
that one there. Yeah. Why does that one work then? The CTU.
I have no idea.
That's weird.
This bothers me.
It should work. It should be right there. No, delete it and try putting it again.
I'll do that after I fill out these ones.
Okay.
don't know what happened to this thing.
Which
I
one's
can't
that
read the
one?
words.
Which one's that one?
Oh, I guess whatever starts with PRO.
There's pro in.
Maybe I'll delete this and then redo it. Let's see.
Sure.
What's that? I don't know. Wait.
New one.
This one
That one didn't work either? Uh-huh.
Why? Why is it doing this to me?
Instead of writing in, what if we select it on the control tags?
Select it?
Yeah. On the timer. Oh, sorry. Like the word timer.
Word timer?
Like you know, it says timer.
Yeah.
Or, yeah, and then do it that way. I don't know if that word makes any difference.
It's the same thing. Should be the same.
I know.
I did T1 the same way, so.
And it worked, right?
Yeah.
That's weird. How come this one doesn't work? What's that highlighted square mean on the
Which highlighted square?
on the control tag? In the control tag?
Which one I'm on?
Like where it says constant?
Constant.
The column on the right side?
Oh, this one?
Yeah. What?
These are the ones I have assigned to an alias, I think. That's what it looks like.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay.
Why is it not working? I just do this. But it's
Sure.
still red. It still has an X on it if I do that.
So weird. You want me to call the teacher?
I'm seeing if instruction help. Because these ones you could do. There a make tag button from here. I feel like this is the wrong one. This JSR. Because the one in the picture only has one slot.
The one in the picture, yeah, it only has one routine name, right?
Yeah.
Is there another one you can pick?
That looks like the only one.
Okay, I'll call in. I'll call the boss in.
Okay.
It says room 3, right?
Yeah.
Can we get help on room 3, please?
All right, how are we making out?
For counter, this one
Okay,
here.
so you probably didn't see the. I sent out a message about the JSR, so we're going to eliminate that. That was
Okay.
industrial group. Yeah, this was an add-on for the industrial group. So we don't need the jump to subroutine. Get rid of that. Yep. Okay, so you've got the in-feed sensor, trips the... Okay, so you're going to have to create a tag for the timer. So you can go to controller tags.
Yeah, I have that right here. This one right here.
So it is counter. Okay, yeah. So that should work. So go
But
back.
for some reason, it's not showing up.
Oh, did you hit enter? Go back and hit enter again. So go to controller tags. Where is it? Yeah, hit enter. Okay. Oh, you made it a timer. Yeah, that's why.
Is it not a
take a look.
timer?
No, it's a counter.
Oh, CTU.
It's a counter. Yeah, go just type in
Counter.
counter. COUNTER.
I thought
Yeah.
because it was under the timer tag.
So
it
the
would be-
timer too, I know. So did I. That was
Yeah,
timer.
no, it's a counter. So now
Uh-oh. Go back here.
yeah, hit OK.
No?
Did you hit enter? Maybe you didn't hit enter.
Maybe
No.
Try going back and hitting enter. It says it'll be truncated. Hit OK. Yeah, go back there and then hit enter. Like it. No, you got it. No, it's not going to see it. Oh, there you go. Okay.
Okay, that
There you go.
solves the problem.
Yeah.
Cool.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Hey, was that the only question?
Yep.
Yeah,
Okay.
we're putting it under timer instead of counter.
There you go.
Okay,
Looks good.
thank you. Alright, now it's time to
Download.
work on this thing. It shrunk. Nope, there's this whole thing that you need to build. Like, it's quite a lot of stuff that you need to build.
Okay, let's see what we're building. Wait, where's the building part?
So I
Lab
don't know
8,
how
right?
you guys turn the screen around. I can't spin.
I have the same problem. It doesn't work for me somehow.
But I see other people
if
spinning.
I double click it if I double click it, it spins or turns.
Double click?
Yeah,
Double click like left
Like-
click?
like anyone on the screen, if I double click it, it'll point to that place.
Oh,
Like that. See, like yeah, and then
sure. That
and then I move
works.
to the right. Yeah. See, you got the same issue as me. I have the same kind of problem. Like, because I couldn't drag it like he did on his screen. I had to do it like with the keyboard and the mouse separately.
Like when I do this on my own computer, I could drag it just fine. But when it's on this like whatever this funky thing is, I can't drag anything. Delete everything. We just select all. Delete. Okay, so whatever matters what conveyor belt I'm using.
Is this still a lab 8, right? I can't.
Yeah, it's lab 8.
Was. Oh, right at the top of lab 8. Ugh, I'm like, where's the thing? Oh, you're building.
Sensor. Which one is the photo eye?
Sensor.
Yeah, so
Uh,
is this
think further
diffuser
down.
sensor? That's I think, is that the photo eye?
oh, that one right there.
I think so. I believe so.
Oh, so you can turn it. Cool.
Okay, next is heat conveyor belt.
In feed conveyor 2, 1. Oh, you have like a long one, eh?
That's what it looks like on the screen. Or maybe
I
I
can
should
just use
do I could do the short one.
Just using existing one.
The short one looks really short.
This is not too bad.
I don't know what the heat conveyor belt is. That doesn't exist.
It's not there?
I typed in heat and it wasn't there. Is the heat conveyor just
Oh,
these,
there,
like,
yeah, there you
just
go.
these gates? It's not even
I
heat.
guess
It's
looks
just
like
a
that one.
gate.
It's a gate, okay. Yeah, it looks exactly like that one. You need like 2 of those?
Yeah. It just says gate. It doesn't say heat. Alright. Then it's
Okay.
the
You need outfeed conveyor.
yeah.
And then that's it, right?
Yeah. Maybe I'll do a longer one because I need to put that thing on it. Okay, so let's see. Oops. The wrong one. Two.
Oops. There you go.
I feel like the in feed should be output 1. I don't have an output 1. Oh wait, no, I do have an output 1.
Yeah, 0, 1, right?
Feeds
01.
conveyor 2.
Oh,
Heater. It's conveyor belt 3. Out feeds conveyor. Why no? This is the out feed. This is the heater.
oh, it shows it on page 509. So hard to see your thing.
In
Two.
feed C1. I don't see how conveyor belt 1 is supposed to move. It's not tagged to anything.
On the conveyor 1, in-feed conveyor 1, on the factory IO one, they're showing says real O0. It has an alias.
In feed C1? No, it doesn't.
They give it an alias, maybe.
05 is remove signal. Remove signal? What's the remove signal? Oh, the warning light. Soft light.
That one is 5.
So we're using the reset is
5. Okay, move signal.
out feed M. Out feed M. That's the O2. How the heck?
Are your numbers the same, right, as the one in the book?
Yeah. I'm looking at page 3 where it's pointing at the diagram.
Page 3?
Yeah.
I'm looking at page 5 of 9, and it shows a picture of the factory IO configuration.
509.
Like it shows a factory I/O configuration.
Oh, that's probably page 3 for me.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that
these-
exact? I
like,
can't see it on your things. Is that what you have right there?
So the 2 blue pointers is pointing at the yellow light push button. But
Okay.
then those are not tagged to anything.
But they make it. They make a tag.
Like this outfeed.
They call it something else.
Yeah. I don't
They
know.
call it
Let's
like a
let's
real-
try and see how this works, and then I'll correct it if it doesn't work.
Because we use O0 already, so then they made another one saying real O0.
Real 0.
And then same thing with O1, but they made a real O1. So I think they just made a separate alias for the or a separate. Big money, big money, big money.
This thing is so slow.
It's okay.
Shove
Go
this
green, go
over.
green. Is it green?
Error. No object cannot be converted to a value type. Which one's that?
Yeah. That way you're not green on the on your Logic 5000 there. It's not green on
Oh,
the sides.
oh, I didn't put on run. That's why.
How they? Oh. There we go. Try that. Yeah, there you go.
Alright. Put this guy on
Play.
run. I guess my thing is crooked.
Oh shit! Your pallets are.
It's crooked. Okay, let's try it out again. No?
It keeps falling off.
It's still crooked?
How do you spin it? You spin it? You spin it like to the right? Because it's pushing it. Oh, that's right. There you go.
I don't know what's going on.
We got it. You got it.
Maybe I need it taller.
There you go.
Maybe,
It's on there.
but it's not moving. Oh, maybe I need to press.
Just press it.
So I knew it. The first conveyor belt won't move because nothing is going on here. Yeah, something's wrong with the instructions. Because
It's
this first conveyor belt doesn't have
It's not contact.
doesn't have anything. There's no way it's gonna move. So
You want me to call in the big ends?
I'm just gonna add a tag for it.
Okay.
So let's call this like 06.
Real.
Real 01.
A real O1.
06. Enter.
And then over the other one.
Outfeed? To be honest, I feel like this one needs one too.
Yeah. Put it in.
07. Oh, that's a dent.
Boo. Now we gotta
Alright,
re-download it? Or
so
we gotta re-download it, right? Or
Yeah.
run
let
it?
me just figure out which conveyor belt is which. So 06 is the first one. Oh, here's the first one.
Okay.
And I have a total of 4 conveyor belts. Wait. don't have O. No, I do have O4. O3 is conveyor belt 2. O2 is outfeed conveyor belt. Maybe I don't need O7. Let me get rid of O7 for now.
Downloading.
What is this Schneider Electric thing that keeps popping up?
Promotion. They want you to buy. Now that you tried it for free, would you like to buy?
Alright. Let's try that again.
Do you have to disconnect and reconnect again, or?
I did.
Okay. Go.
Of course it doesn't go.
It's all good.
Maybe it's crooked. It looks crooked, doesn't it? Why is
Oh yeah,
that?
looks like it's out somewhere.
I know. Pitch?
Move it back.
No, it's not pitch. Roll? It's not roll.
Uh-huh.
Maybe it has to be like that. Still crooked.
And move it back some more.
What is this?
There. No. Oh, it's going.
Oh.
Maybe that's what it was. This wasn't. Oh shit! Malfunction! Malfunction! It went a little bit further back. You're close. Line up the arrow somehow.
Ew,
Nope,
why is it
still
doing
messing
that?
It's spinning. Spinning out of control.
Oh no, the photo sensor! What is this? Why is it doing this?
Try to go a little more further back.
Maybe go like this. Let's try that. That's not any better.
Oh, still. What? Doing that? That's so weird.
I don't know. Okay, let's try that. Oh, there you go.
Oh shit! There you go.
It's going. Why is the photo sensor not working?
Oh shit! Oh yeah. Where's the latch for that sensor thing? Oh,
It should be
Wait,
in feed sensor.
there it is. Yeah, it's on.
And it's
And then the counter. Oh, but the
Examine-
counter.
like
The counter
examine
doesn't-
if close, examine if open. I can't remember every time. What is this? Examine if open? Examine if off. Is my sensor like too crooked or something? Doesn't look very crooked.
Can you zoom in?
Trying to.
There you go.
My sensor is fine, man.
Yeah, it looks good.
There's only one sensor on here. Is that the fuse sensor? Unless that's the wrong sensor. I'm pretty sure that's the only sensor with the laser thing.
That's...
So why?
But the sensor's only. Oh, it doesn't matter what side, right? I guess the other side, this side doesn't matter.
Yeah. So it
Oh,
turned
and
it off.
How's that?
So you can see the sensor turning on and off. It's just gonna keep piling.
Is the other conveyor working? Are the other conveyors working?
No. Do we just have the wrong sensor?
I don't know. You want me to ask the teacher to come in? We're very close.
I know. Because we got this one solved. Okay, we added a tag for this guy. This is the outfeed conveyor belt, which is the last conveyor belt, which there is a tag for
What about the infeed C2?
outfeed conveyor belt C. That's a light. C2? C2 is already.
Yeah, with
C2
it,
is
because it should
connected.
come on.
Yeah.
Because when your first one comes on, your second one should come on after the sensor, right?
Yeah, this is the C2 one, which
Should come on.
be triggered by the sensor.
No, sorry. When should the C2 come on?
Yeah, let's see. Oh, now you're not moving?
You gotta press the button.
It's not moving anymore. Oh, the button. Now it's on.
Oh, there it goes. Just a little delay.
Yeah, see, look, it is on.
Okay, there. Yeah, it is on now. Okay. So now
And
she's
it-
still
and it-
moving. Yeah.
And it just stops there for some reason.
What? It should keep going.
I know, right?
Yeah, because now you're in the sensor. Now you're in the second conveyor, right? And now she kept pushing to the third one.
Go
Uh-huh.
momentum.
Something's not right.
Hey, keep pushing. Keep pushing.
Just stack it up till it falls.
Okay, I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, because the first one is pushing everything else.
I know.
Why isn't the second one pushing anything? Is it because of the sensor not on? Like, I don't get it.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, the third one works. What the hell? Is it because the sensor is making it stop?
Maybe.
Right? Because it looks like the sensor is making it stop.
Let me try, like, just turn that out of the way. See what happens now.
Just thinking. Oh, there it goes.
Okay, the sensor is out of the way now. Nope.
No, still. The conveyor 2 is just not going.
Yeah. But conveyor 2 is tagged to this thing. T1. Oh, it's because this one's not going, maybe.
But the other one's going.
You see counter DN? It's not.
Yeah.
Yeah, counter DN is just off for some reason.
Okay, let me grab the teach. We got 37 minutes left. Grab him.
Yeah.
We're room 3, right?
Yes. I'm gonna turn this back around.
Or just move it to the other side.
I don't think it makes a difference which side it's
I think
on.
it's different, yeah.
It's just some laser pointer detector thing.
I wonder why the conveyor 2 doesn't move.
I know, right?
It's on.
Unless I got these. No, I couldn't have got them mixed up because the other ones were moving.
We got 1 and 3 works. We saw that. As soon as it passes 2, it moved down to the third one and
Oh,
pulled
wait,
it out.
heater is 4. Maybe it was that. Let's try that. Maybe I got them mixed up.
Oh, you switched them around?
Yeah. Let's try that.
Sure.
I bet that was the problem.
No, still stopped on 2. Still stops on 2.
Because roller, okay, O2 is the 4 meter, O4 is the heater, which is the short one. O3 is the third conveyor belt. O2. This is supposed to be the outfeed. Let's try that. I must have gotten something mixed up. Oh, it's going now.
Oh, it's going!
I just
What
got
did
the
you do?
conveyor.
You just switched it around?
Yeah. I got the conveyor belt mixed up. Oh no, the box!
Keep going! Ah! Shit. Oh, but it stops on 4 now.
Okay, let me fix this part first.
But it stopped on 4. I wonder why. Man, this shit takes time, eh?
I know.
Oh, you can see how it's not lined up. Just by like a little bit. Sorry, Amazon. Imagine you have to fix this kind of stuff at Amazon or something. The conveyor belt's not working.
So now I need to see why this one is not working.
How come the timer's not working? Oh, it stopped.
Yeah,
Or maybe just stuck, I don't know.
I think I know why. I don't know why they tell me to put outfeed CLT, which is just the light. That doesn't make any sense. I feel like this one over here is wrong. So outfeed CLT02 shouldn't be there. Instead, O2 should be here. And I can still put a light on. Let's put on 07. And then 07 is the restart light. I think that's what they wanted.
Down.
I bet this thing is screwing a lot of people over.
Oh,
Because the instructions,
this is
they're like
must be
missing some
tomorrow's
stuff.
thing. That's why.
No, it's like missing some stuff. Like on the picture with the really small ladder diagram, it's just not working out.
Oh.
So let's hit the stop button. Stop button, please.
Can't see. There it is.
Stop button is not working.
Nope.
Did I forget to reconnect? I probably did.
Oh,
I forgot
disconnect,
to
reconnect.
reconnect.
I forget that too. Like, oh yeah, I forgot to reconnect
Okay.
again. Disconnect and
Okay.
reconnect.
Alright, it's the moment of truth.
Oh, it seems to go faster. Oh no. It's going. It's going.
It's not hitting anything.
Makes it to the first bridge. Oh, there you go. Second. Oh yeah.
Oh, solved it.
Choo, choo.
What's this? Why did it
What the-
stop?
Hey, why that was stuck? Oh, it's timer. It's on timer. It's on timer, right?
I don't think so. Is it?
Yeah, timer's going up. Oh, there you go. It's on again. That's it.
Oh, so it does 6 and then it stops. I think that's what this
Yeah.
does.
Okay. That makes sense.
So you stop.
Let's try
it.
again. 1, 2, 3. Oh, counter. Oh, that's what the sensor counter. Okay. 5, and then 6. Then I guess it stops. Or starts to counter.
I think after 6 passes this blue sensor.
Yeah,
here,
there you go. It
stops.
stops it. Yeah, okay. And then the counter goes. Oh, that makes so much sense.
Oh, and then the conveyor belt at the end keep going
Yeah,
until
yeah. Until it's all gone.
yeah.
Oh, that's sweet. Okay, I see.
We're
Oh,
missing
nice.
this
Oh,
guy.
the last one didn't make it.
Alright, so we solved it.
Yeah. Oh, you solved it.
Well, it's just weird because
What
they
you should do
didn't
that
have.
traffic light one to get that extra 5%. You'd be good at it.
Well, they didn't have a output for these 2 conveyor belts. That's what I found weird. Like they can't. The conveyor belts can't move if they don't have an output.
Yeah, like alias thing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that didn't make
But
sense.
they didn't they make it as like real 01 or 0 real 00?
Did they?
Like I think that isn't that what their alias was? Like on
Wait.
the where's that? On the lab.
Wait, where do you see that?
And they're so yeah, so in feed conveyor 1 they made it into a real 00.
Wait, what the heck?
Like they made it like another alias. Like we would make it 06, but they wrote it as real 00. And the outfeed conveyor was real 01, which we made like 07. What was it?
Wait, where do you see? I don't see where you see.
Oh, your
that.
page 3. Your page 3, the factory IO configuration.
Factory IO configuration. Yeah, I'll pull this over. So this is my page 3.
Yeah. So keep going down. Again, and you'll see. There you go. Yeah, that part. Did they make their own alias, right, for the conveyor?
Oh,
That's what I was talking about.
I have no idea what that is.
Yeah, they just made, like their own. Like we would make it 07 or 06, whatever, and they made it real 0 something.
Oh, okay.
I think that's what they meant. Like, so they did make something for it.
But then we don't see anything on the ladder diagram.
Yeah, I don't know why they
So
say that.
what is real? Let's see.
Nothing. It's just a tag.
Yeah, but something has to make it move. But I just don't know what the heck that is. Okay, I see what you're saying. Is there a way to? I don't know.
Oh yeah, maybe they labeled it there.
Are they float inputs? I think it said it was float inputs. Yeah, it's a
Okay.
float input.
Okay, so they changed that one then.
So if I did like let's keep it as float input.
Conveyor, whatever.
Yeah, but I don't know how they got it to that different color. Because I can't change it.
That's okay. You made it work.
Yep. I can't get it. I got it to work, but not the way that the lab wanted me to.
So I guess on the check mark, should we go to the functionality to be tested?
Yeah. Oh yeah, did we see the light go on? This warning light?
Which one?
This warning light. It's supposed to go on.
No. Oh, is it? No, I didn't see light come on at all.
Let's see, which one's the warning light?
Which is the light?
Stop light? Maybe?
Start light in the bottom left. Start light. No, that's start light. Sorry.
No, the start light is supposed to be on after that is pressed.
Remove signal.
Yeah, it should be the remove signal.
Oh, the on-off signal. There's two there.
Did not go on.
I think the on-off signal should come on, right? Because the DN comes on, the on-off signal should come on.
Well, the on-off signal doesn't even have an output or anything.
Should we make one? And just connect it and just make it into.
So the M remove signal is this guy.
They have it as start, stop, outfeed, sensors. They have a remove signal. They use the remove signal.
Yeah, but I don't know how to get it on. It didn't work.
Should you just put an alias to the remove signal?
M outfeed.
Oh, you did. You made a 5, right?
M outfeed C. Is I2. Okay, did this one as wait. On that picture that you said, that was on page I think you called it page 3.
Yeah.
I don't have an I2. M outfeed.
Oh,
C.
M outfeed?
Yeah, M outfeed C should be the.
Oh, maybe that outfeed is connected. Yeah, that's the input. Go to the output M removal signal, maybe.
I think that's what it is. The M outfeed C.
Yeah, I2 goes to I5 on the picture.
Let's try that. No, it's still blank. I don't have an I2
Disconnect.
on. It's because I don't have an out like an I2 on here. What the heck is that I2?
M outfeed. M outfeed.
Yeah, but what's the I2 on like this ladder diagram?
Oh, maybe that's what turns on the light. Oh, I don't know.
Is it the on-off signal?
We can make it like that.
See if that works.
So does that mean that now the on-off is connected to the signal?
Yeah.
Okay. Should work.
Okay.
Hey, come on.
It doesn't make sense. Why is the on-off signal a push button? Like,
I don't know.
like, what am I supposed to do with this push button? It doesn't make any sense.
Oh, light's still on. Think light's gonna come on afterwards?
I don't think so.
Nope. I'll have to call in the big guns. Just 20 minutes left. He's
Yeah,
not coming. What the hell?
ask him how to do that, like, that real IO and real whatever. I don't get that part. We totally, like, changed around everything.
He's not answering me here. Let's try private chat.
You might be in another room.
Can we get for this long? Get help. In room 3. Room 3.
Why do I have...
Oh, what happened?
I have no idea.
You are now muted.
I think you're sharing a different screen. There you go.
Okay, I did something weird. Let me close this first. Is it still doing that?
Nope, it's not. Oh, wait.
Wait, no, it still is.
What the hell? Hello.
You are now muted.
Oh, there you go. Hello.
I can still hear myself.
Only you, yeah. It's only when you speak. Do you have multiple classrooms open? Virtual classroom?
Is it still doing that? Nope.
Yeah. Yeah, it says you have two classrooms open because it's showing 2 of your names on top.
Oh, do I?
Yeah, it shows your name twice on top, so you have 2 of the virtual classrooms open at the same time.
How about now?
Yeah, good now.
I
Because you
don't
have
know how that
multiple
opened
classrooms
up.
open.
I'm trying to see this public chat. You can see if Clarence is in.
Did you reply back?
No, Clarence is not in the main chat. He's inside another room.
Yeah. Does he have headphones on or something? I heard he always has his headphones on or something.
No,
like that.
he's not even in the room right now. So if you go to the participants list, if
Yeah.
you don't see a mic or a headphone on his name, then he's in another room.
Oh.
Yeah. So he can't.
I did a
see-
private chat and he still didn't get it.
Oh, I don't think he checks the private chat. So.
Oh well.
Wait, I still see 2 of my names on the list.
So you got two windows open. No, but on here is okay. You have one here.
I only have one window open. Oh wait, no. It just went down to one. Maybe I should try reading the instructions. Let's see.
Reading instructions? Who needs that?
Alright, I follow pictures.
So do I. Nice, John. Where's the stinger? Oh, that's a weird. That's a funky bug.
You know, bugs have 6 legs.
Okay, do you still have that other two open?
Yeah.
Okay.
So right after you said help with room 3, someone was like, I need help in room 1. I guess nobody could get this thing working.
Yeah, before that was something too. He probably left.
Alright,
He like screw everybody else.
back to this. That is not
Hello?
the right screen. There you go.
Maybe the difficulty everybody's having with these labs is why the project is no longer required.
Oh no,
Yeah.
the instructions they're giving us doesn't explain like a lot of things. Like, how do you get like these two over here? Right? You can't figure out how to get those two. So I did it a different way. Let's close my thing. Like this float. I don't know how to get that going.
What the heck? Oh.
You think he's gonna have enough time to come around to where we are?
I don't know if he's even there. I
I don't think he is.
don't think he's there. No. I think he left for the day. He's like, I'm going home, guys. I was like, I'm going to lunch.
Here.
I'll see you guys after. He probably went to lunch. No, it's taking a while. Okay.
Ten minutes.
Yeah, he ain't coming. I think we're done there. I think all day I'm just gonna do the quizzes. See, I'm gonna do the quizzes all day. Quizzes are pretty hard.
You know, I haven't even tried a single quiz yet.
No,
I'm gonna be screwed.
I don't try one. Like, I mean, I'm trying to do the digital logic quiz, whatever. Oh fuck, I'm already failing it.
Today's Tuesday, so we have tomorrow and
Tomorrow, yeah, and then what's the first test? Electronics, right?
yeah.
Yeah, first is electronics on Thursday afternoon.
And then Friday morning is the other one.
Electronics.
PLC.
What do we do?
Oh.
Is there anything in the afternoon, or that's it for the day after
Well,
Friday?
for Thursday, this is code after the PLC exam.
On Friday, right?
Yeah, we're doing code with Jeff.
Oh, code.
Yeah, and then that's the end. That's the last stretch, I think. Oh wait, no, we have TC. What's TC?
TC?
Trade
Yeah.
concepts.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, we have trade concepts and code, and then that's the last one.
I'm getting the feeling that on Friday afternoon I'm going to be crying in my alcohol after PLC test in the morning.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're averaging like in the 80s, I think you'll be fine.
I'm at about 84 right now, but after going through the quizzes so far, I'm averaging like maybe 60 on the quizzes.
Yeah, after this thing is gonna drop me pretty. I think drop
You are
most
now
people
muted.
on this one. Because in the last couple of groups already, a lot of guys were having a hard time. Still grasping like everything. So I mean, if up to now we still don't get it, it's not looking good. That's why I'm just trying to do all the quizzes and learn off the quizzes pretty much. At least the quizzes, like, if you get it wrong, he has like this view feedback, and then from there it'll show you where to find the answers in our notes and stuff, which kind of helps.
You are now unmuted.
There's one here that says convert 9B30 with a little 16 in the bottom to decimal. How the fuck do you do this again?
9B?
9 Bravo 30 and then like 16 is underneath, like 16th to the 16th or whatever.
That's
Is that hex to base 10?
And then base 16, is that what it is? Yeah, to decimal.
Use online converters, bro.
Yeah, which one? Just Google
I
like.
don't know, man. I just Googled the fucking question, like whatever the question is. I put that
Yeah, I
in Google.
Googled that question too, but it didn't. Like, it took me some converter, but like, which one? Is it?
No.
I usually use rapidtables.com.
There we go.
Which one?
Rapidtables.com.
Rapid cables.
Yeah. One of them will actually give you a hexadecimal, decimal, octal binary converter. So you enter it in one field and then it'll convert into the other three.
Rapid tables, so conversion and then number conversion.
Where is that?
Yeah.
The bottom?
Yeah. And then go scroll down to hex, decimal, octal, binary.
Oops. Darn it.
There's ASC2 hex binary decimal base 64.
Keep scrolling down.
Check out the link, guys.
Wait, you say rapid tables or rapid cables?
Tables.
Tables, rapid tables. Okay, here.
Tables.
Calculator. Okay, home calculator. Okay.
Oh, okay, I see it.
You want the hex, decimal, octal, binary.
I don't see the one that lists all of those.
Did you click on
I
hex,
see hex to binary, hex to decimal, and octal to decimal, but I don't see
Go
one
above
where it has
that.
all of them.
Go above that hex / decimal / octal /
Oh,
binary.
I see it. Okay.
And that does all four.
So I'll post the link. So this one.
I still can't find it.
Yeah, I posted the link on the chat. Click on that.
Sweet. Oh, nice. There it is. Thank you.
Yeah, that's a much nicer link. Awesome.
This is gonna be my cheat sheet for the test.
I've bookmarked it already.
I have so many icons on my desktop just from all that stuff.
16, 1, 0. Ah, come on, where is it? Oh, sweet. Okay. Wicked. Good times, good times.
You'll also want to check out calculator.net the math calculator. There's a link in the chat. And you may find that binary and
Now
hex
muted.
calculators handy.
Thank you.
Shoot. The hex calculator?
Yeah, in the binary calculator.
Okay, I see it. Binary. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Sweet. How many bits are needed to count to a maximum of decimal 1,000?
You are now unmuted.
Alright, the room's gonna close in 20 seconds.
All right. See you back in the other one.
Yeah.
9, 8, 7. Happy New Year.
All right, so we're back. I can create another working group if anybody wants to continue in a working group, or we can call it a day. And then tomorrow we're going to work on the quizzes, both for digital logic and for PLCs. If you didn't happen to get done or finished one of the labs, then I would encourage you tomorrow to do so. I can rearrange the groups such that if you wanted to redo one of the labs, you could do that. Also, these PLCs are not being used this evening, so if you want to just go individually go in and work on that, you're fine. Just pick a PLC. I doubt that there will be more than what do we have here? 8, 16. We have 22 PLCs. I doubt there'll be more than 22 people working on them, so you're welcome to do so. Is there any questions before we call it?
Do we stick to the same IP addresses we're using in class?
I would probably pick one. Yeah, that's a good question. How many people here want to do that? Just so I can, and then maybe I can just assign the IP addresses. Like just in the text box.
Yeah.
So I see one.
I would definitely. Oh, sorry.
Okay, so Lucky, you take 100. That's yours. Dean, you take 110. That's yours. Anybody else want to do this? If you want to do it, let me know. So everybody else stay away from 100 and 110. I have a question about. Okay. Okay, go ahead. What's the question with the? Use Gabriella. You have 130. Go ahead. If you have a mic, just ask what the question is.
I couldn't get it to work because, well, no, something. I got my conveyor belt to work, but not the way that the lab wanted me to, because I couldn't figure it out. So
the light would have come on.
Well, it's not only that. It's like the whole like float thing as well. I couldn't figure that out. So.
Oh, so okay. So that lab was. There's two parts to that lab. Jump to subroutine.
Sorry,
So
the audio sounded
in the
just
lab,
cut
it said
off.
use real. We shouldn't have done that. Just use everything as a bool. So basically, what you're not going to have in the construction lab, construction electrician, is speed control. So with the industrial lab, you have speed control.
You are now
So
unmuted.
that's the only essential difference. Basically, you're just counting boxes on a conveyor. That was it. It's not
The audio just sounded cut off. But sorry, I didn't catch like part of what you said. But what I did to get it to work was I assigned some of the stuff that was on the float. Is that what you were telling us to do?
Yeah, to bools. Yeah, make them bools. Yeah, we didn't have to make any floats. We didn't have to make any reels because we didn't have any. We don't have analog in this group, and then we don't have a subroutine. So the long and the short of it, all that lab was supposed to do, the counter lab, is count 6 boxes, and then it would initiate a timer, and then the timer would start the next conveyor, provided you activated that input, which I believe was a selector switch or something like that.
Okay, because at the end it said there was supposed to be some warning light or something, but I couldn't get the warning light to come on and stuff like that. But I got the conveyor part to work.
Yeah, so what you hopefully what you got out of that lab is how to create a counter and how to reset that counter. That was kind of the most important part. So it was just a timer counter lab. There was a couple one-shots in there. Getting it to do something specifically is not as important as understanding how the instructions work.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I guess I don't need to continue on the lab then, unless someone else has questions about it.
Yeah, then tomorrow you can just start on the quizzes, and same thing. We'll work our way through the quizzes, and then when you have questions, jump out, get me in, and I'll come in and explain them.
Okay.
Hey, Clearance, I was just wondering if you could put 3 of us in the room again so we can keep doing quizzes.
Yep, I'll do that. So that's Efan, Trevor, and Grant. Is that right?
You got it. That's right.
Okay.
Right. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, there, you should have the invite. So I set it up for 3 hours. Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. Good luck.